What is the healthiest morning juice? What is the healthiest fruit juice to drink daily? Is it good to start your day with juice? Everyone knows about the huge health benefits of fruit juices, but which juices can provide us with the biggest health benefits? Why do 70% of us choose orange juice when there are so many other juices to choose from? All juices are packed with vitamin C, but some juices offer additional benefits. Here we'll take a look at 5 super juices that can offer some unique benefits and help protect us from a range of diseases. As a general rule, juices that have a dark rich color, blue, red, or purple, can give us a real boost when it comes to helping our immune system. Try to buy juices that contain pulp or sediment. This means that the juice has been made using the skin or flesh of the fruit, and it is here that the best nutrients are contained. It's also important that you buy juice that is 100% juice, and not made from concentrate. Look out for words like beverage or juice drink, and leave these on the shelf. Perhaps the only exception here is cranberry juice, which is too sharp tasting on its own. Invariably, cranberry juice will contain some sugar or dilution to make it more pleasant to drink. Here are my top 5 super juices to start your day. 1. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is well known for having preventative benefits for urinary tract infections. Now scientists believe that it may also prevent the formation of certain bacteria in the stomach lining that cause colon infections and stomach ulcers. Cranberry juice is high in antioxidants, which can help combat the free radicals that damage cell structures and DNA. 2. Purple grape juice. This juice is packed with antioxidants that have significant anti-aging properties and can protect us from heart disease and other chronic diseases. Grapes contain polyphenols, which play a role in reducing the likelihood of blood clots forming in the arteries whilst reducing the risk of cancer. 3. Pomegranate juice. In 2010, researchers at the University of Edinburgh found that regular consumption of pomegranate juice led to a reduction in the fat stored around the stomach. At the same time, it is known that the juice also helps to maintain low blood pressure, therefore, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 4. Apple juice. I'm actually referring to cloudy apple juice rather than the clear variety. Cloudy apple juice contains about 4 times the amount of antioxidants of clear apple juice, whilst at the same time providing fiber contained in the pulp. Quercetin, which is found in apple juice, inhibits the growth of prostate cancer cells by blocking the activity of androgen hormones. 5. Grapefruit juice. This fruit contains a fat-burning enzyme and can help to absorb and reduce the starch and sugar in the body. It is often used as part of a weight reduction diet. Additionally, studies have also demonstrated that the bioflavonoids found in grapefruit could stop cancer cells from spreading in breast cancer patients, by getting rid of excess estrogen from the body. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel DocOnline to be updated on how to be naturally healthy and not consume medications.